On June 26, U.S. soldiers from Headquarters and Headquarters Company, 1st Battalion, 9th Cavalry Regiment, 2nd Armored Brigade Combat Team, 1st Cavalry Division, along with British soldiers from the British Royal Lancers, Aliwal Force, supported NATO Battle Group Poland's enhanced forward presence. They conducted an operation known as Aliwal Surge in Bemowo Piskie Training Area, Poland. Aliwal Surge was a multifaceted operation involving soldiers from across NATO's Enhanced Forward Battle Group Poland. The purpose of the operation was to test the interoperability and innovation of the military units involved in a short-notice readiness exercise. The 4th Infantry Division has a mission in Europe to engage in multinational training and exercises across the continent. Through participation in operations such as Aliwal Surge, they can strengthen relationships and cooperation between NATO member states in order to enhance readiness and collective security in the region. Operation Aliwal Surge at Bemowo Piskie Training Area is one example of a collaborative effort between the United States, United Kingdom and Poland in support of the NATO Battle Group presence in Poland. It demonstrates the commitment of NATO member states to strengthen collective defense in the region. Through such exercises and operations, soldiers from different countries can train together, improve their operational capabilities, and deepen their understanding of the military tactics and procedures used by their allies. The participation of U.S. soldiers and British soldiers in Aliwal Surge also provides an opportunity to strengthen the bilateral relationship between the two countries and deepen their military cooperation. Through this exercise, they can learn and understand each other's methods and approaches, as well as build trust and a common vision in carrying out security tasks. In addition, the Aliwal Surge operation at Bemowo Piskie Training Area also aims to increase the forward presence of NATO Battle Group Poland. In this context, short-notice readiness exercises are important as they allow NATO forces to test and refine their capabilities in a short period of time, so as to be ready and responsive in the event of an emergency situation or urgent security threat. The 4th Infantry Division also has a significant role to play in missions in Europe. Besides engaging in multinational training and exercises, they also contribute to maintaining presence and stability in the region. Their participation in operations such as Aliwal Surge demonstrates the United States' commitment to supporting allies and maintaining shared security in Europe. In the context of global security, such operations can also set an example for other NATO member states and encourage closer collaboration between them. Through frequent exercises and operations, NATO countries can improve their interoperability and ability to work together in response to complex security threats. Overall, the participation of U.S. soldiers and British soldiers in Operation Aliwal Surge at Bemowo Piskie Training Area, Poland, demonstrated their commitment to strengthening NATO's presence and enhancing operational capabilities and military cooperation in the European region. This is an important step in maintaining stability and collective security in this complex era. In addition, Operation Aliwal Surge also has a broader impact in the context of regional and global security. By involving forces from different countries, the exercise promotes building and enhancing effective operational capabilities in a multinational environment. The participation of the United States and the United Kingdom in this operation is also in support of NATO Battle Group Poland's enhanced forward presence. This demonstrates their strong commitment to maintaining stability in the Eastern European region and strengthening NATO's collective defense. Operation Aliwal Surge can also provide valuable experience in addressing modern security challenges such as hybrid threats, symmetric and asymmetric conflicts, and the use of advanced technologies in combat. Through this exercise, troops can develop relevant tactics, techniques, and procedures to deal with complex and diverse situations. In addition, this operation also reflects the importance of interoperability between NATO forces. The close collaboration between the United States, United Kingdom, and Polish forces in this operation strengthened integration and communication between NATO member states, thereby enhancing their ability to work effectively in real situations. During Aliwal Surge, troops focused on improving their capabilities in various aspects, including mobility, maneuver, situational awareness, coordination, and logistics. This exercise allowed them to test and refine their skills in the face of challenges on the modern battlefield. As such, the Aliwal Surge operation in Bemowo Piskie Training Area, Poland, is a clear example of the joint efforts of the United States, the United Kingdom and other NATO member states to improve their military readiness and presence. Through such exercises, they can strengthen regional cooperation, enhance interoperability and meet complex security challenges more effectively. Operation Aliwal Surge also provides an opportunity for troops from different countries to learn from each other and exchange experiences. During this exercise, US and UK soldiers were able to observe and understand the methods and approaches used by Polish forces as well as other NATO countries involved. This allowed them to enrich their knowledge of different military tactics and strategies. In addition, the Aliwal Surge operation also tested the command and control capabilities, inter-unit coordination and integration of communication systems among the participating forces. This is important to ensure that troops from different countries can work effectively as one in complex combat situations. Such operations also provide an opportunity for officers and military personnel to hone their leadership and decision-making skills in a demanding and high-risk environment. They must be able to adapt quickly, think strategically, and work in cross-cultural and cross-linguistic teams to achieve the operation's objectives successfully. Beyond the military, Operation Aliwal Surge also has a political and diplomatic impact. Through active participation in NATO exercises and multinational operations, member states demonstrate their solidarity in maintaining security and stability in Europe. It also sends a strong signal to partners and parties who may have aggressive intentions that NATO countries are united and ready to protect their interests. Ultimately, the Aliwal Surge operation in Bemowo Piskie Training Area, Poland, is part of a broader effort to strengthen NATO's military presence and readiness in the Eastern European region. Through exercises and operations of this kind, NATO member states seek to enhance their ability to deal with modern security threats and maintain peace and stability in the region. In addition, these exercises also provide a platform for military technology innovation and development. In order to improve operational capabilities, forces can test new equipment and systems and identify areas for improvement or upgrades. Overall, the participation of US soldiers and British soldiers in Aliwal Surge demonstrated their commitment to security and stability in Europe, as well as their joint efforts to strengthen collective defense through cross-border cooperation. The operation provided benefits in terms of improving interoperability, military readiness, and joint capabilities to meet complex security challenges.